Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Safari search history on your Apple devices. So guys, if you are unable to delete the Safari search history on your Apple devices, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, the first way to delete the Safari history is that open settings on your device, and once you are in the settings you have to simply scroll it below and go to apps, and then scroll it below and go to Safari, tap on this and then scroll it below, and from here you can easily clear history and website data of your Safari browser. So guys, here you can see this, tap on clear history, and after this the history and the website data will be clear. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that you have to simply open your Safari browser. In order to clear search history, you have to simply tap on this book icon, and once you are here you have to simply tap on this history button and then tap on three dots button and then tap on clear, and from here tap on clear history, and after this the history will be cleared on your Safari browser in your Apple device. So guys, in this way you can also clear a website data and history on your Apple devices. And if you're unable to do this, you have to simply go back, then open settings, and then you have to go to screen time, and then you have to simply tap on content and privacy restrictions, turn it off, and after this go back and check. After this you will be able to clear and delete Safari search history very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.